In problem 41, we're only going to do one of the parts. We're going to do part A. And what we want to do is we want to express an equation in Cartesian coordinates, so an equation involving x and y, in terms of z and z bar. So this is a bit of a reversal of what we've been doing. What we've been doing is taking an equation involving z, powers of z and z bar, and then trying to understand what that is in terms of Cartesian coordinates. We're going to go in the backwards direction here. So to go in the backwards direction, we need to remember some facts from section 1.1. And this is good to remember anyways. So the real part of z, which is represented by x, is z plus z bar over 2. And the imaginary part of z is represented by z minus z bar over 2i. So for these problems where you are going in reverse, if we were to write, maybe over here, if we were to say z is x plus iy, x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. And so in other words, in order to express this as an equation involving z and z bar, we're just going to plug in x is z plus z bar over 2. So x equals 3 becomes z plus z bar over 2 is 3. And this is technically the end, but we can make it look a little bit nicer by multiplying both sides by 2. So on the left-hand side, we're going to get z plus z bar. On the right-hand side, we're going to get a 6. And that's a better looking solution than z plus z bar over 2 is 3. So this is sort of preferred. And if we had something involving a y, we would just make the corresponding substitution as well. And then we would do some algebra to make it look a little bit nicer.